blueberry bow biscuits. And purple anime Miata. Hell yeah. What is up, guys? Random footage from Ron here. And here we are at Fontana Village, the Fontana Dam, Miata's at the Gap, whatever you want to call it. We're here. We are setting the car up. This is actually the second day. Well, it's Thursday. We got here yesterday, got set up, got our Airbnb, you know, just kind of got ready for everything. So here we are. We're about to actually do the first event, driving over to an older town, which I'm pretty excited for. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys some of these cars. So of course we have Chris and Michael A. We got the beautiful purple Monster, Slammed in C, NB, ND, NA, NB. I mean, there's cars literally everywhere. And then even not Miatas, which is, you know, whatever. So this place is filling up. The event starts around 9:30, so we're excited for that. So we're just kind of getting prepped, grabbing tools and getting ready. So when we get on that drive, I'll show you guys some of that. Well guys, we just got done with an hour-and-a-half drive. We're down here at some old school tavern. I cannot remember the name. I will put it somewhere on the screen. Drive went pretty good. There's just like literally Miatas everywhere. It's so sick. These roads up here are like extreme compared to our Florida roads. So it's just a blast. Also, after this clip, I'm gonna throw in what our driveway looks like. It's like straight inclines up and down. Pretty crazy. Don't know if the camera caught it, but I'll share it just in case. So see you guys later. So guys, this is the drive we have to do in the Miata every day from the cabin to get to the main road. I think we're going to drive the truck back from the village tonight. Holy crap. This is stressful. Look at this. You don't even know where you're going. Whew. I can't imagine being up there. Holy crap. A bad spot yesterday. We actually almost got stuck there. And you can see where we dragged all of this yesterday too. Whee! Shit's like a roller coaster. We just went 0 to 20 miles per hour riding the brakes. That's how intense these like downhills are. We drove uphill in this last night in pitch black. Of the exhaust. I want y'all who are watching this to remember this is literally just the driveway portion, and now we have to go onto the main road. It's one way to do rust repair. Well, guys, we just got back to the Dragon from the first drive event that we just did, driving all over Tennessee. It was pretty fun. So now we're sitting here. I'm going to film a bunch of cars going by, bikes going by. So if you want to see that, check out my other video. It'll be a different video on the channel. That way I do not fill this one up with just a bunch of fluff. Oh, and Chris's car overheated. So, you know, Miata drama as well. That's how it goes. Yep, Miatas everywhere. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, like normal Miata fashion, you got a broke down Miata, but that's all right. We got help here. This guy seems super smart, so hopefully he can help out because we're kind of lost. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Well, we just got done riding the Dragon. We're down here at the Killboy store, just kind of looking down at all the cool Miatas, hanging out with John, Chris, and Michaela down in the store. So we're up here. Days are going great. We're still filming some cars go by. It's been pretty cool seeing a couple exotics, you know, fly by. So hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, and we'll continue to show more fun stuff. Sick. This is one thing that I love about mountains, northern. The views that you get here are just like insane. There's John G taking pictures. I mean, you just drive down a random road, you got the dam in the background. Like, look at that. It's amazing. Miata looks so good. You got all the campers with Miatas there. I mean, I can probably zoom in. Miata. Got a 30 AE over there, which is so cool. Well, a few hours later, we finally got the coolant leak fixed, thank God. Holy crap. So this car should be good to go. They're gonna head back to their Airbnb soon. We will be heading back to our Airbnb. We got the Miata hooked up to the trailer, keeping her all safe, next to Chris's big tow rig. So we're gonna get home, eat some dinner, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that? Where you play hard? No rush, go and move dumb. Back and forth, push and shove. Make your peace and love into peace and gloves. Now you gotta do a run now. Peace and gloves. Now you gotta do a run now. Do a run now.
Well, guys, we are halfway back to the Dragon from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're just out here on one of these beautiful, beautiful, like, scenic viewpoints. Man, it's just awesome. I mean, people live up here, so they get to enjoy it all the time. But somebody who lives in Florida, obviously, we don't get stuff like this. So, man, it's just so much fun to drive the cars, even just kind of just cruising, not even spirited driving. Just come out here and enjoy this, the fresh mountain air. But yeah, oh man, that's beautiful. Figured I'd just show you guys that while we were stopped. See you guys in a little when we're doing something else fun. Before I let you guys go, I figured I would show you this other side of the road, how beautiful that is. And of course, you still have Miata sitting pretty. Well, we are burning the midnight candle, or whatever that saying is. So we are lending tools and hands to this guy. You might recognize him. He's the one who helped Michaela and Chris out. So, you know, what goes around comes around. We're helping him with a transmission drop as his throwout bearing went. so that way he can continue to enjoy the gap, and there's just a group of people kind of hanging out. Good morning guys. So we are here at the Miata photo. I think you can see my car right there. So we're just hanging out, parking all the cars. After this, when everything clears out, we're gonna go get some food and probably just rip on the Dragon for the day. It's been a pretty fun trip. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. Fast guys showing up. Biggest Miata here, right here. Look at them goofy goobers. There's a beautiful area. Water running. Awesome walking trail. We just got done eating a delicious lunch. About to go back out and do some ripping. I love just walking around. Got some sick ass ND. Next to this is beautiful classic Porsche. And then my favorite, the Honda S2000, a real man's Miata. Wow, the coolest car here. A Dodge Viper in the famous blue. He just missing the white stripes. No, that's awesome, I love that. This place is just full of exotics. You had the Viper, now you got the Ferrari. And then over there you got that V8 twin turbo Miata. That thing's awesome. Makes a whole bunch of noise. So sick. So we're here at Tail the Dragon Killboy. Pardon me. Sick Miata, bro. You're all good. You got the Scion XP limo, which is just, I mean, beautiful. You have an R32 GTR, FCRX7, and just like a million Miatas. So it's cool. We're just hanging out, drinking some beverages because we are a little thirsty, and having a good time. So just wanted to show you. I'll see y'all later. It's crazy. The 4 cleanest Miatas in the world all parked right next to each other. Well, here we are at the Killboy stop and gas station. About to watch some mini bike racing, so I'm sure that'll be entertaining. I'll try to get a couple little clips of that. If there's no copyright music playing, but man, there are Miatas everywhere. It's awesome. Mini bike race ended fast because it started pouring, so we're just chilling. Well guys, it is the last day of our trip, and I was just staying back here because we actually haven't even been at our Airbnb, but like at night we don't even get to see it during the day, so we figured just kind of enjoy it for a few minutes. We're about to head into town. My buddy Mike's gonna be there. We're probably gonna cruise the Dragon once or twice with him, and then we'll load up and leave. So that's the plan for the day. If anything cool happens, I'll show you. If not, you guys will see the drive home. See you guys later. You know, we had to come up one more time just for some of these beautiful views. Man, it's awesome out here. Well, that is a wrap to an awesome weekend up here. We still have our drive home. There's still a bunch of Miatas up here. Johnny still wants to drive the dang Dragon some more.
Let's take it out.
But what can you do? You got to go home eventually, right? So we will see you guys in a little bit. If we see anything cool on the drive home, I'll show you. If not, you'll see the final clip of us at the house tonight, probably in the dark. See you guys later.
Babe, I just feel alright when you hold me tight. I feel so fine when I'm in your arms. I love you, baby. Hold me tight.
Well, guys, like all great things, our Miata at the Gap weekend must come to an end. Well, guys, you know, people mess up sometimes. Weekend was great. The trip was awesome. Got home last night after about 10 hours of being on the road and just went to do my normal loop, not even thinking about how there's basically a tropical storm raining here. So I buried my truck and the trailer. So this is where the rest of these place of the Miata is for the next couple days so the yard dries up. But, you know, it happens. If you enjoyed this video, tell me down below. If you didn't enjoy it, tell me down below. Man, look at that beard blowing in the wind. Awesome. Well, if you guys want to see more crazy stuff, because that's all we do around here, leave a subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for checking in. Peace.